Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw data from Typeform to HubSpot step by step clearly. To withdraw data from Typeform to HubSpot, start by logging into your Typeform account. Next, select the form that contains the data you want to transfer. Click on the Connect panel on the right side of your form's dashboard. Scroll down to find the webhooks section and click on it. Choose Add a webhook to configure a new webhook connection. You will need to gather your HubSpot API URL for this process. Open a new tab and log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your HubSpot settings and locate the API key. Copy your API key into a safe place for future use. Now, return to Typeform and paste the HubSpot API URL into the webhook URL field. Make sure to format the data being sent according to HubSpot's requirements. Next, set the webhook to send data when a new response is submitted. After configuring the webhook, press Save to apply your changes. Visit the HubSpot dashboard to create a new custom property if necessary. Ensure that the custom properties match the fields in your Typeform responses. Now, perform a test submission on your Typeform to check if the data is being transferred. Check your HubSpot account to see if the data appears correctly. If everything looks good, your integration is successful. You can now automate this process for future submissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.